Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech with Waqar, and in this video we will download Visual Studio Code on our computer and also build our first HTML web page and manipulate something in them. So let's get started. Now, in order to download Visual Studio Code, you should have a stable internet connection and a web browser. Now, look at this. I will write it Visual Studio Code or VS Code, and then the first result will appear, and then I will click on it and you will see a blue download button on the website. You can read whole stuff, but I will just download it, and your downloading should start now. Here I will set that where should I download it, and then I will click on the download button down below, because whenever it will complete its downloading it will automatically start the program. So it is installing now, so I will click on agree, and then I will click on next, then I will click on next again, and now I will click on don't create start menu folder here, and then I click next, and I will tick all these options. You have to follow this carefully that I have ticked all these options, and the process has done, and you can see my Visual Studio Code is opened here, and here it will tell that you have two themes, one is dark and one is light. So I will continue with dark. Here you can read some instructions. I will maximize it, and now here at the sidebar you first is file, and you can save or delete file and folder from here, and second option is about search. You can search anything about your project, and then we have GitHub, and then we have debug, and then the most important extension. We will talk about GitHub and debug later, but now let me tell you what does extension do. Extension provide additional feature to the program, in our case Visual Studio Code. So I will search here live server and click on install here. And what does this extension do? It will automatically refresh the page whenever we make a change in our HTML code. It will take a moment to install, so we will wait for it. Oh, it has installed. So we will go to our desktop and make a new folder there, so that we can separate our project file from my other desktop files. So I will right click here and click on open with Visual Studio Code. If you can't find this option, then go ahead and watch my installation section again, because you have made a mistake while installing Visual Studio Code. So we have opened Visual Studio Code. Now whatever we make a change in this section, it will automatically change it in the folder. Now I will create a file here, and I will type here anything I want. I will type anything here .html. .html extension is very important, because this will tell the browser that it is an HTML file. So don't forget to type .html at the end of your file. Let me rearrange this sidebar so you can easily see this. So I will rearrange this, and we will type here doc type HTML. We have talked about it in our previous videos, so I don't need to tell you anything about it. And then we will start our HTML tag and hit enter, and it will automatically rearrange. It is all the magic of VS Studio. Sorry, VS Code. I was little bit excessive. So we will type here head, and we will give a title here. I will give page title here. Obviously you can do anything you want. And a little tip for this video, if you want to move on the next line, you can hit Ctrl Enter, and it will move on the next line without deforming it online. So we will go back and we will start our body tag there, and here we will start body and hit enter, and then I will type here anything I want. I will type Tech with Waqar, of course my channel name, and I will hit save, and you will see a thing on the top. Here is a dot around my cursor, and when I hit save it will change into cross. It indicates that your document is saved or not. So there are two ways to open this website on browser. first of all with live server, and then we will discuss about later. And for live server, you have to click anywhere you want. I used to click on the file, and on the top here is written that open with live server, and when you click it, your server will start and your file will open in the browser. So you can see my file is open, and now let me rearrange. And a little tip for this video, when you hit Ctrl B, you can toggle your sidebar. Look at this. Okay, so you remember we have installed our live server, so let me show you our live example. So when I hit save, it will refresh my page, so I will remove my name and here write in me, and when I save the file, it will automatically refresh it on the web browser. So let's talk about the second method which we will use to open this file. You just have to open that folder where we have saved this file and double click on this file, and it will automatically open in your web browser. Then you can see it is working properly as it was. So let me show you that it is the same file as it was in the web browser. So that is for this video. If you like, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, give subscribe, and love you. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next one.
Wake up, early mornings, late nights, hopping on a different flight. What's the meaning of life, ayy? Wake up, same-ish, different day. Make a wish, call it pray. Am I sick, am I okay, ayy? Stay up, late nights, still in